Honey, you look hungry though. Baby, want tea? Honey, baby. See, you look hungry, mommy.
Wagwan, honey. Honey. Watch me, you know.
Think she don't know you? Daddy.
See, alright?
Hi, Daddy. Yeah, man. Where you go?
Come up on the road, get started and come back.
Okay. Now go and play with my baby, yeah, man.
Just... Like you want one more?
I'm not ready for no more yet.
I want to come up good,
not
man.
True, mommy. No, I not teach that brother yet. Not so.
You want brother? Say brother.
There you go.
So, someone might do something around the stuff. Put that dirty hands. Well, tomorrow I'm going to around the stuff for back.
Alright, be careful on the road.
Yeah, man, so forward.
Auntie, I'll make tea for you and come back. You hear? Daddy, see your lunch here, mommy never get to come today.
Long time, man, long time. I blend in this wall, sir. Let's see what I want for food. 3 dumpling and 1.5 banana so I'm to meat.
Mommy see if you buy one mackerel long and shop because when she cook you don't eat it.
Buy one mackerel so what she cook you eat?
Yeah.
So okay. So I don't know another plan for do. Cook every day when I not eat. Because of what? Me a fool.
What I know my fault, Dad?
See when I come home, I make sure everybody pack up. Everybody have to pack today. Look at big man, sauce. Look how me there, I work hard, I pay dog shit all about the place. I take all the money. Every time I come home, I go to actually 3/4, I pay.
Daddy, I'm a child. Yeah, mommy have to go work out that.
Yeah, what? It seems like you walk so far with the food, pass the blame. I'm not bother hungry, you see? I go to hotel, because they fire the dirty dog with the pay dog food. But if my friend come, so I go eat it, yeah? You see this now? Go down the yard, put it on the fridge. You see a morning, you can slice the dumpling and then go to slice and fry. Me buy the tin mackerel send down there, because I don't come down tonight, you know. I go to a hotel.
Anyways, don't know today Friday and thing and I go want me little pocket money different when I get to pay.
One down.
Alright. Yeah.
Move it!
What mama, you know, say me not no condom, I say me can go buy one.
Alright, hurry up.
And nothing you deal with, mama, about the argument.
But say me in a day again, you know.
You say a new man in your life now. Okay, I decided then, man. Yo, I don't want you back for me lane in a youth. When you leave me woman alone in a youth.
Yeah, woman.
I love me woman in
Brother,
a
anything
boy.
when you fire, me fire bigger than that.
Rocky, man,
man.
boy.
Be right,
Boy, how are the boy?
Let's stay
Don't come
up
up on the
here,
lane in a boy.
Baby. Hey, honey. Come here. Come here, my niece. My good niece. Come here. One. baby, pretty. Come on. Come on, mommy, baby. Well, I'm going some fresh here, not true. Baby, want water to drink? Water, we are pretty. Water, we are baby, pretty. My good niece. Yeah. Come here, walk right there, so come on. Come on. Count all of the car them when you see the pass. You see the red one they are mine and the blue one are yours. Jesus Christ. Me not left funny. Sheila. Hey girl, you know say your name me had drop out. Me come and look for you. Hey, no do then something. Me not even here when you come. See her here. See her here. No, sir. Then I need to watch out here, sir. Girl, my heart reaching at my mouth. Yeah, I'm a good niece. So you don't take time open the grill? No, me never like me I take time. You never hear it? No. Maybe throw me around the kitchen. I'm a good niece. We just walk her about this one come back. She look like she hungry, ready to cry. Oh God, there's something now. Auntie want mommy drop down, not sure. Girl, you can't leave the baby unprotected like that, you know. You know much people want one nice little pretty baby like that? That's true, you know, but I just look at tea, me go and this will make fear because she's hungry. Little tea? You know, so then something going on all the while. People are thief people picnic because some people can't get pregnant. You can't do that if you're the grown there. So if you're the grown up back in the room, kitchen, anyway, carry him with you, put him in and carry and make him stay there while you look about in tea. You can't do that.
Oh, so up here say there. Come here, baby. Alright. So hold on, I up here say there. I up here so you there. I yes say you yard. A Friday evening for you find you see you there, yes say there. No, I yes say there. Answer me now.
Can you think you take me for idiot? Eh? I 1.5 pick me, give me, you know. 1.5, see only full one, yeah.
What that mean?
Black's daughter. I don't mind that, that's the only pick me.
So hold on, you're on a big and fat and sour and black. Eh? You're on a black and sour. Eh?
Look man this. That man is not my father neither.
I know what? I couldn't be a stepper.
The reason why
Still a part of you.
You want to know why me own him about daddy?
What?
You can't have him money. Have his mother
well,
only
it no matter. Money. I feel pitney. You know what? Give me this. Come find yourself here.
Let me pay me bill.
Me say come find yourself here about pay bill. Pay bill, eh? Come on.
Let me come pay me bill.
Pay bill and come on.
Buy it now. How my bill go?
$400. $400 for what? $400 for what? For this. Also that you spend money pan.
You better me spend it pan, it can give me more spirit than you.
Hey, pay me long, come on.
Go buy it in a mackerel with this.
Come there. Go so. You have a picnic and you go so.
Terrible boy and a dangerous boy and I hear about him. I'm not afraid of him. No matter what, man, I never left him, mama.
Yo, the bad crime scene now, where you there? All the while you skip out now you come and work when you feel like you come and work, you know me done. You hear me now? I won't open pay day come in now so if you go post to get some of your free money, you know. I mean by you there for your way, so much by you there. My you do what you do and come fast, man. Because I can't bother with you, you know. Now mountain come government a pay you, you know, and a pay me, you know, Virgin, and me, you know, to do your work, you know. Alright. Or some print off of them there, you know.
Yeah. Them are fire.
So them thing and then big boy are fire, you know. I know so I've got to deal with them the raw and proper way, you know.
I'm not sure you can find it there.
No, sir. Just the from other place. So I'm going with you now.
There, Tina neighboring and bag of thing are going.
I know me things have to change. But right now, no, just because me look that good means everything are going good enough. Me have to war as you feel, man. I be a foolish is a go on. Man I go accuse me, say me no liar and bag of stuff. Following friend them say, I make me and him split up. So me just say, you know, I go on for your ways. Me, him decide say me, you know, I'm for left. So him drip me for you know. Me not go take that cause he's a mad somebody, you know.
But I want me take out of the yard still, you know. Left mama down there with the baby, you see it?
Yeah, pick now.
Yeah, man, get a youth now, man. Because a long time there, you know. Youth about 6 months now, you know.
Oh God.
Yeah, man, a bag of things, man.
So whenever I see that the baby there, you not tell me nothing. I miss, me have the same number, you not text me or nothing.
Yeah, man, a true man, a bag of things to go on, man. But I'm sure the baby still. You can see her on the phone screen.
Oh, such nice. But
Yeah,
she have
man.
her mother looks.
Yeah, man, you see it. And her mother
Me
complex.
not lie, not do fire. Me not lie.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
so me have something to tell you.
We have to tell me now.
But I get it offended and stuff, isn't it?
No, man, I'm a friend for a long time, man. You talk about.
Yeah, man, but this a little bit different, you know? Where it's like you're going to show me, say, I want to beat me and stuff. Kind of feel bad for say right now. But
No, man, so we are someone don't feel no way, man.
nah, lie a long time, I like it, you know? God, no.
You never tell me though.
I did have sitting on me until this long while, you know. I know I'm going to hear you have picked me. I actually even know me feel right now. I'm sorry for my life.
But you say you find love and cut, you know, so you know where you go.
Me did think so, but you know, find all over backside. I love me in the so I just war around be a foolishness. And you are good youth. Me always observe everything where you do and you just move loyal and you know.
No, man, I'm a loyal rasta, man.
Even though you used to bad back then, me not go bad talk about the part but
Yeah. I never really bad still, I was just experimenting and try. I learned a lot over this time, you know.
yeah, your drama.
Yeah, you know, so when you're born, you're young. But when you grow up, you have to grow up, you understand what I mean? So that's the platform of life itself. You have a youth, you know, so whenever youth, you open up your eyes to many things, you know what I mean? So my little onion now kind of show me things and I have to settle down now because there's a lot of virus out there, you know. Very serious, you know.
Yeah,
and the
man.
virus now wear color, now wear face, you can't even see it until you get rid of it, you understand? So
True,
if you go through it already, I don't catch you. No make it catch you now. You understand? So you better you just belong go and well stick to one person. So when I say people come in for you too, I sneak in.
I mean, no man, the man said he friend them through me and left, he take out me clothes them and sitting, no want me left. And then me and him fight at that time, then me get the opportunity for left. And now him go tell me say him want me and nobody else can get me and a bag of things. So he must send people down here to me to war me off or me don't know. But me have to put up camera from every angle so you can see everything.
So me go page you more time, man. Look at the shop you go.
Yeah man, I shop me go buy
Yeah,
some
man.
stuff and
So we'll talk.
alright.
More time, yeah?
Yeah man.
I'm Detective Charles in an investigation concerning the shooting with your boyfriend. So, can you tell me what you see?
Me, my boyfriend did me go up my yard go do something and him did drop me home. When I reach in the yard, me hear gunshots and then me run go out there and me see him lay down on the ground. And then one bike, me see one bike man, two bike man, but I didn't see their faces.
Can you think of any reasons why someone want to hurt your boyfriend?
Not really, no, but him and my ex-boyfriend did not sound like a problem because my ex did want me back and him never did go let me go. So me never see him, you know. Never see my ex, me don't know who. But me answer your question. Fairly.
So, like how you think? Your thing is confidential. So you might give him your ex name and address?
Jeremy Jones, Water Lane.
So what do you feel like me can book him up on my yard?
Where are they now, baby?
Just there, so
What
it
if your
may be,
mind
you know.
do?
Really,
Look at my eye,
man.
what about my mind?
Me know what upon your mind.
You know, the your mind.
You know, see my sister there.
But you babysitter, you stay with the baby. Stay with auntie. Stay with auntie now, please. Stay with auntie. Watch out now. Stay with auntie. Let's stay with
Remember say
auntie.
honey, look, you know.
What?
I remember say you know bus blank.
You know one brother, in lonely by himself. Not you.
You know say she
Yeah.
do it next brother.
No, you see, tell her, I write time. 1 year apart, can work. Just make it
Very
make,
well, you have the money, you know, so.
yeah, make Sheila.
No,
Yeah.
no.
Say Sheila, baby. Sheila. Well, on the family. Oh, as in your money is no bad, baby. Auntie. Girl. What you girl?
Come here, auntie baby.
So
Let me
come back here,
nice
Sheila.
Alright then.
You want 2 minutes?
I cook on a cook?
No, go stir up something.
You serve something.
Stir up.
Stir up something.
Yeah.
How long gonna stay? Come here, so much to go in.
No, man, just stay with me.
Honey, mommy soon come here. Mommy soon come home. I wish she had it my thing because you number also. She can't stand her sister there with me. Have look how long she said she had to come back and she can't come back.
Yo, when I say boy lay down dog, I will dirt him.
So what go on, man?
You know me I say boy ain't even dead in a dog.
You get back your girl, you know, bad
You
boy.
ain't even know dog.
Yo, nah, no we dog.
I say John know my friend right now craving you.
Hold on, a bad boy. Who are you?
I'm a Sphere grandson, man. I'm a Sphere grandson.
Yo, me know all of my Sphere fit in them. What you talking
How long more you boy?
Yeah,
Shiro. You boy, you know long more you.
Okay, man, you man.
How nice bad man?
Yo, you do man so dog. Yo, what you do? Yo,
Go again, sir. Yeah. Yo, they bring a jeep, come hold the boy them, you know.
Hello. Hello? Yes. Wagwan. You know, so me have one baby yourself. You don't know nobody overseas who want one baby to buy. Me have one 6-month-old baby. And I really want to sell him right now because I want to have money to do one serious business. Yeah. Yeah, man. Like how uno over there so and uno have the opportunity to know them kind of people that who well want one baby to buy. You can't line up a thing for me.
Tell daddy bye-bye.
Daddy have to go road. Daddy go chop road. Make money. So honey can live big. Yeah, honey.
Hold her before you go.
You want chop
man.
road? You want chop road? You want chop road too? Yeah. Daddy go. You're gonna get big. Before we go here, no car. So money do to me on the road set speed, you know?
Alright, baby, just take care up on the road, yeah? Be careful. No, I'm not there. Me and honey can't go manage without you. You tell daddy, be careful, daddy.
Later. Two come here. Two come.
Alright, baby, take care.
Yeah, man.
You go and sit down with
I'm
your
coming here.
Alright.
Alright. Later. Later. Alright, honey.
Tell daddy bye-bye.
Tell look for face too. Honey.
Me I go and sit down here so and get some breeze.
Can I house at free love, sir?
Yeah, man.
You soon got money can buy AC, man. You understand?
Alright, babe.
I'm soon forward.
Yeah, man.
I got the grill coming on.
Bye-bye, daddy. Daddy, bye.
You are going on, Chris. I know say you love your money, you know. No policeman love no money. You understand? And my sister have a baby where some people overseas want to see him baby just like for her baby. I would like to take with the baby, you understand, and sell him to some people overseas. And I know me I go get a nice piece of money. You understand me? So, you see my sister now, she want to kill his sister, you know. She always a left the baby all about. You know, so I can take away baby with myself. But true, me don't want nobody know say I mean. I wonder if you know nobody we could have just deal with the thing for me, you know?
Me know somebody can deal with it. One little thieving girl, me always lock her up, man. Me always lock her up. She thief. She good for your job. Anyway, any little scribbles a corner you can put her in. She ready for it, doesn't me?
In the same period of time, while you not deal with that, me I go take my brother-in-law and make him go help me move some things down the road because I have to move. You understand? So, if you deal with it, you deal with the thing for me.
So, why you really want thief for sister Pitney?
My youth, if you deal with it, something you deal with it. You understand? The money, you know, if you don't want to do it, you tell me and me get somebody else to do it.
Want the money still?
You sure said this a girl if you manage the job?
Lock her up one time. And from lock her up one time, she crawl through the grill. You don't know how she did, but she crawl through the grill. And from this up, me and her turn friends. You see me?
That's one like we work
She can manage it.
Alright.
From tell her she can do it, she can do it. I call her right now. Alright, link me around my yard. Yeah. Alright. You see mice? Mice devious. Last time me come here and lock up my key in her room. Right down there so, me have to take her and throw her up there.
That the little window there?
Yes, I know that one the bathroom man.
So she can go through that?
Me say, the girl skill freak.
That's a bad man.
I don't know, joke thing. Me say, a right person right now, she need to get a decent piece of food for the job there.
This a little simple girl yeah?
Check your pocket.
You need me to check my pocket.
Check your pocket. Think she shaky.
So what money do when me just see that variety, so?
Me not tell her about her, man.
Girl, I just take all the money out of my pocket.
That good man.
You're killing her, my girl.
That good man.
How you do this? Mice, me have a job for you. When you thief my sister, baby.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
You know what woman they say she live around here, she named Nadia.
Nadia?
Yeah.
No, something I don't know Nadia around here, so. You look tired though.
God no. Me a walk from morning I look for Nadia. You can't beg a little ice water. Me tired and me thirsty.
Alright, just pull the grill and come in. You go on. You can have a seat. You look tired, man.
Thanks.
Alright. Me go just put down the baby and you give her eye pan her to me here.
Yeah, man.
Honey, mommy chew come back here. Mommy chew come. Me go help out a lady here. Alright, Miss Sue, come in here. Okay, here you go. Oh gosh. Oh my god. My baby. Honey. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Robert is going to kill me. Why? Honey. Oh gosh. Robert is going to kill me. Honey. Oh, honey. Oh gosh, that woman that thieved me baby. Oh god. Honey.
Tell her. And even when they are walking in, girl.
No woman up here, don't know. It's a whole man for the time being. It's better than next house we have.
Yes, look nicer.
So.
I like it too. Your money can go on.
Where else we move? We can everything, no sure?
No, me don't put that this already and put everything. I just this my when left we move, so it done here now. Me tired man.
So I put on my shirt and go, man.
Alright, so thanks, here.
Yeah, man, that's alright.
Alright, just seal up my sister.
Alright, I put my shirt. I put my shirt.
I put you out the door.
Alright, that's alright.
Come in and want to mix up with the rest or something when they move.
Tomorrow.
Alright, cool. Tell my sister something we call him little more here.
Alright.
Yeah, man, later.
Dear.
Robert, they thief honey.
Only in the room. Only there. Only there.
One lady come, they ask me for somebody. And they ask me if me know one lady named Nadia. And me tell her, I say no, and she ask me for some water, and me just put on the baby there so. And tell her.
You put on baby, yes, so.
Me never think straight. Me just tell her if she look for the baby, me go for water for her and buy me go in the
So you
kitchen.
know the girl?
No.
So you up in the barn and left the girl with the baby pan.
Me
So you call the police?
Yeah, me call them.
How the girl look?
Oh God.
How the girl look?
She's slim. She's slim. She have cream ear. She no want white blood.
You call, where police them there?
Me call them both.
Which way them go?
They say they on them way.
Well, it's our first daughter, and I went to work, and somehow my baby mother leave the baby on the veranda, and some criminal trick her and steal our child. And so anyone out there who can give you some information where you can find my daughter, I will be so grateful. Please help us, because so many times this story has played out and nobody finds. So please, I'm begging for all of your help. Jamaica, please come out and give us your strength, because we really miss our honey. She's our lifeline, and you can see her picture on the screen. Please contact the nearest police station or something. Please. You know, it could be your child too. It could be you too.
Good day, sir. Good day, madam.
Good day.
I am Detective Corporal Sergeant Charles, concerned about the missing child that have been reported. I've come to do an investigation on it.
Let him in there, Sheila.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Yes, sir. Could I meet the parents for the child?
Yeah, well, I'm the father of the child, you know. I'm the father of Honey. My baby mother the inside, you see it, she will arrest. But I soon can shout her still. Sister-in-law Sheila over there, she see me, you see it.
So your name is, sir?
You know, say, Robert Thompson.
Mr. Thompson, were you there when the child missing?
No, you know.
You wasn't here.
No, wait, yeah, when
the auntie, so basically I'd like to talk to the mother who was here to find out exactly what happened so I can do a proper investigation.
But anyway, more call my baby mother. You can go and talk to Sheila, you see it? Yeah, man. So, we just hope someone do a good job though, because you see, in a certain case, we do a good job, but in a certain case, we not so. Because nothing not solve at Jamaica still. Between me and you as a big man. Me see when them shout, the Prime Minister address him and tell him, say, yo, go on your bed and where have something about your woman and where. If the police force find that man in less than 20 seconds, and lots of unsolved cases that Jamaica probably not touch yet. So hope that this case with my pitney, no work out like the more they step on the case like how on a step on they look up Virgin where just make one speech about Prime Minister and catch him. So more want to do the same thing with them culprit out. But take my youth said speed.
You have nothing to worry about. My rate of solving crime is very much impeccable.
Further, I'm not too good for talking now.
Okay, sir. So what's your name, ma'am?
Who, me?
Yes, ma'am.
Sheila.
Wow. So where were you at the time of the missing child?
You know that I was moving from one house to another because I have to move out. So he was helping me moving some stuff.
So that was about what time, ma'am?
It was late in the evening, you know, almost night.
So you're talking about 6, 7 o'clock?
About that time, they just called it so.
And what time you return?
What time I returned? I can't recall, but it was late.
I know there's a Down ring on your finger.
I'm not married.
So you're trying to tell me that you're free single and disengaged?
Me have one somebody man upon the eye top me catch.
Are you catch on the eye top or him catch on the eye top?
Me catch on the eye top because of somebody man.
So what's your name, ma'am?
Peaches Mackenzie.
Where were you at the time of the missing child?
I was here, but I was in the kitchen.
So you were here and you was in the kitchen. So you was at a two place one time?
The thing is, officer, me and the baby did out here, so. And then a lady was passing by and she stopped, asked me if me know somebody. I said no. She looked so tired. She come at the grill and asked me for some water. Open the grill and I let her in. She asked me for the water. Me put on the baby in her crib. And I say, just give her eye on the baby for me. I go get the water and come back. I go in the kitchen. When I come back out with the water, I don't see my baby. I don't see the woman head, she gone.
You know you should be charged.
But I true, she asked me for the water.
Suspect.
Even me?
Even
the
you.
mother of the child?
Yes.
You know, there, what I say now, we know for the long talking, and I know say talking, because I know Jamaica police, and it's good for talk, you see? Develop on that door. How do we go forward? Because do you want a picture of the baby so you can start look, see her, if you see her, you can locate her. Can realize saying I'm like a mix up here, start suspects, I start this and that and bag of something. I don't know where I go to school for now, where I study for now. I don't go study them the thing them, I study natural thing. When I try to tell you, say, sister-in-law never there here. And me go meet sister-in-law because she went there. I help her move on the thing them. You understand? She move from one place to another place. I'm going to help her move the things them, the furniture and them things there. You understand what I mean? So I leave here so 6 o'clock. I leave her on the veranda with the baby. Right? And then go deal them things there. Then she, when by the time reach back in and she abandoned, so the baby missing. So if you go to the person and ask for a whole day question, I don't know how that will solve the case. If you look for yes as a suspect there, so when they are out in the street and do thing them. You understand? So I just if you can't manage it, just me go and me find you yourself. You understand? Because I do some of my thing there, you know.
Well, you hear me now, Daddy? This is how you're upset right now. But less than 24 hours, you personally is going to rate me for the job that I have done. I'm going to give you a number so you can call me. Because I'm going to be off duty tomorrow, but still on the alert for your child. I'm doing my very best. But I promise you, with my intelligence, I'm going to find the child first so quick you wouldn't believe. But believe me, the suspect is in the household.
And what kind of word them they are drop? Who in the house thief, baby? It look like you come here so come go on like I say you're intelligent more than anybody.
I'm just doing my job. I do not want you to attack me as if you're a wild animal. Thank you very much, ma'am.
You come to protect and serve, you come to mind people's business and blame people wrongfully. You're right.
Sir? Could I have a photo of a child, even though I know that it is on the media? But could I have a photo of a child for myself?
Where's your one picture?
Thank you very much, sir. Okay, sir. Have a good day, sir. I don't want you, my friend.
I hate that dirty police boy, man.
Father in heaven, may I beg you bring back honey to me, please. Oh God, me can't eat, me can't sleep. Me I wonder if honey alright. Me know say Robert they do everything in him power, God, but you can't make it, we can't go through it without you, God, please, please. Oh God, please. Father God, please. Oh God. Oh God, me baby.
Peaches,
What missing?
what go on? We are crying for no crying, man. You will get back your baby soon. You will get back your baby soon, girl. You're not even calling me.
Yo, Robert. You know, say I look for you from when?
Right now, my youth, me a search trying to youth because if I take a baby not to know 2 nights now, I'm not sleep, you know.
You know, say the news me just a watch. And here say your baby missing. Because look at her. You see the slim empress there. When they on the veranda, and me see her come with the baby and she a struggle. And me help her because the big old slava man in the car won't even come out to come help the girl. Because the girl look like thin, you know. So I think at daycare you send the baby go.
In the night, aya. Who send them in the daycare in the night?
Anybody at all will do that. Just to go party.
You touch you not even know still. But you want to know, you can identify people them?
Me know me can identify her.
So, I'll call the people them down the detective them because I don't want them talk to you directly and get an interview. That means that maybe they could have find something. Because I need to find my youth, you know. Right now I need to find my youth. Yes, Robert, yeah, Robert. Yes. Right now I'm there in front of one youth to live in an area. Him say him help put the baby in a car because the person who kidnapped the baby couldn't manage the baby if he can't put him in a car, so him help. Not knowing that it was a kidnapping, I say I think he think of daycare or whatever him saying. I think, but him saying supposed to kind of identify or draw a picture of how the person really looks. So I think you who's doing the investigation should have a talk with him differently. Yeah man, cause I need to see my youth now. I don't understand how it takes so long. I not get no feedback from yesterday until now. I not get nothing concrete yet. So I'm out by my gate now. I don't have my gate now. I go in my yard now. Come off for a man. I look. I search the whole place. Yes, that would be good if I can come pick you up and carry him going in a place and I'm going to talk to him and do the interview. Because I never can tell you get out of it. Yes, man, we go walk come out of the lane front because in the lane the road not so good. You understand?
Me don't know what else to do.
Jesus Christ, nobody, my sister, nobody, I go get back your picnic. You have to get back your picnic. Me have to find him for you. Me go find him for you. Anybody will have that they picnic there, they not go like what me go do with them. Me have to get back your picnic.
me have our picture them fill up.
Don't worry yourself, you go get him back. Stop your balling. Stop your balling. No ball. You get him back here. And remember, say if you pray. God run things and a man.
Just come off and me need them.
Miss, oh God, me sorry for you, my sister, you know, so I love you already. I go get back with me for you, you know, my niece, you know, I don't want them doing nothing, you know.
Oh gosh, Robert.
I want, oh God.
Robert, I go through it.
Jesus Christ, nobody stress, too much stress not good for you. Too much stress not good for you.
I know,
We
but
have to get
one
him back.
baby.
We are going to search. You can't allow this to the police alone, you know. I feel you pick me and my niece, so the whole of we are going to walk and look for him. I can't get anyway, you understand?
The more I talk to the detective them who have a case, them say them can't take a, see if we can help jar the other female and look, so you can do an ID parade or whatever.
Come on, ready, man.
Come on.
Drink the water, I come like a drunk.
If I did drunk, you know, officer, I want to reach right to say, you know.
So, what kind of information you have?
Well, Robert and my friend long time still, you know. Because when they ask him for a drink around, him not hit, you know. So, one night, you know, me I go link him for a drink. And we see one look how slim, nice, you know, it look like if you blow too hard, then she drop. She a struggle with it, look how baby, you know. I think God take care of the baby, I go so officer, I go step up with baby. Because a big old slabber boy is young like him. It kind of tick like a yo, but...
Boy!
Officer,
Boy.
I will get me lie, you know. I come here peacefully. I mean, I have to leave out here miserable. Please, me, I beg you. And that's why someone have to say, you know. In Jamaica, no learn to understand this, you know. Me ain't have to there, you know. Me could have there me yard. When me look a miserable woman, they give me jacket, you know.
Yo, stop in there. Drink your water. Drink your water.
Me don't know.
Drink your water, cause you look drunk, cause more have to know which part of people them. Picnic them. There. Picnic there.
See, it look like you drunk. You know me as no officer. Me say, me a check Robert. I may see the look of slimness. I take up the baby and my struggle and the man sit down in the car. Me couldn't know what I kidnap him or kidnap him. Robert could have send the baby for a daycare if he had time a yard with his wife.
So, you see the man who did a drive a car?
Well, me not really see him face, you know, officer. It look like somebody do gymnastics, you know, cause you know, you have the body, but me not do penetrate that. I just see slim as.
So you not see him face?
I don't have one clue in face. You only know that the man do gymnastics.
You see, if me ear say you're part of it, 35 years you get to life for the little baby. You look like you don't have no valid information to give me pertaining to the child, so you're leave the station.
So, like how me come hungry, you know, give me a little rum.
You want to go in yourself? Detective Charles, do you what Robert bring come down to the station? Him not have a clue what going on. Pertaining to the missing child, him not have a clue what going on. So what we are going to do now? You have more suspect? Alright, we have to go bring them in. Alright.
Night. Good night.
Should I sleep?
Yeah, man, you drop asleep, man. I'm glad say she drop asleep, you know, because she tired and stressed out.
I'm just come on for it. I get one look good news a while ago still.
You find the baby?
No, they don't find the baby yet. But we find somebody who actually put the baby in a car. Come here, say one car did outside out there, so I wait. So whatever they do, it was a planting. So when you go and say go for water, somebody out there waiting on one car. So by the time they take the baby now, then go out and put the baby in a car and go. So look at the little girl who come take the water, couldn't manage to carry the baby. Because the baby kind of heavy. So the person who helped put the baby in a car now is a little drunkard youth. We always drink rum around the place. Help her put the baby in. So them have a questioning and I'm going to try make sure them do one sketch to see if they can figure out the girl. So they actually can. So basically that's one good start still. So when I think what I try watch one next door camera. I know say if I get license plate of the car, you go make it easier for now. I have some local links, I just try work with all of my network them.
Yeah man, because the detective then they move too slow.
They always move slow here, so I don't worry about that, you know. Just don't see nothing my thing.
My baby.
By the time they figure it out, baby, now they know where I saw baby got a hole. So what I do, I'm on him, go check somebody and get the film footage and see if we can see a car, if one car when we go to the road and something. So don't worry about it, but just know say never good feelings, so I'm going to find her. You know?
Yeah, sure.
No worry yourself about it, man. So we are the you are still down here, I go back up.
You know, so I have to stay and look about my sister. I give her something to eat because she don't eat from when.
Alright, do it.
I have no appetite.
Look about some soup or something.
Alright.
Just well one back with baby.
You soon get back your baby, man. You have to get her back.
Hello, sir. You see that baby here now?
No, sir, I don't see her. I hope to find her still.
Yeah, man.
Oh, gosh. All
For
right.
nothing, please, take your number.
You see, anywhere you go, if anywhere you put on shop there, just put you out of the shop. But space it on the shop, knock your pan number, just make it there. Because I need to find me youth. You hear me? My general, just do that for me. All right, yeah, man, no problem.
Right now, I want to go on beaches. Look how me, right now, me dirty. Look how me dirty. Look, you know, see me dirty. I want to go and go get something to eat. I want to shower. I want some tea to drink and bust. I guess. You know how much I not eat? Steak and honey.
So, can you go up here, man? But go link the place, because the walk gone.
All right.
Come on. Say son beat me out to the wicked now, tell you.
Right now, I'm tired.
So we're not doing no.
Yeah, the fat and me hot, thirsty. Me can't believe. So long me I look for one little baby and can't find him. My God.
Alright, me I tell you.
General Star, me tired. Oh God. Tired man. I thirsty, poor honey. God Almighty, honey stress me out. Me tired. Gosh.
I just can't.
Can't believe.
Where she could have there?
Don't go up somebody to the flyers them.
Right I know anybody me know say have honey. When me catch them, they not go like it.
Are you man that?
Delilah!
Are your man
What
that?
happened?
Are your man so and so?
Delilah!
Hey boy, you hear me say if you top call me so?
Me have to call you so, man. I want to make me have to call you so.
Oh, what are you?
Me hungry and me tell us if we send with that one there. A big one down there, there's a yum. Look on the bag of me left. Me come home and no food no left.
What you talk about?
Then I go to them and
No,
food
you
no
realize
cook.
you're up on the road with a whole day exhausted to search your honey?
Me understand that, but your husband health come first.
Hey, we can't buy loud noise out here, you know, man.
Robert, cool man. Come to me, woman. No, I'm go cook.
Poppy nice.
Listen, you know say I have a black sat. Black's big and thick. Me and you slim.
We're not gonna talk about this tonight. Go on. Me tell them say me I come and go on. Go on, man.
Come on.
Go on. See your 2 hands, I cannot cook.
Me don't want me
Go
cook
on,
your
go on.
husband down tonight, you know.
Go on up. Me soon come.
I know me hot already.
Go on, me I come.
What do you mean by
So, thanks here, mama.
Alright, look come on.
Ah, later. We call her.
Come on, man. Can you have to go hold me good and can you see later?
No.
Or jiggy later. Yeah, jiggy.
Burn it down, later.
Hey mama. Hey mama. Hey mama. Is it pretty? You see you're pretty.
And mama, it look like you love this a baby man. Come on, play.
Me I feel love her. I'm a niece. Right now, you have to say I'm a pretty because blood thick and want and I wish I did my own because I can't breathe.
You know a band man, one piece of banding.
Yes, girl, me I feel love him.
So I'm gonna just take her and run away. Nobody not know nothing, you know.
I don't want to run away with no baby. I rather stay at my sister yard and just look on her. They suffer. I want to see she suffer, real sufferation take her. So you see when me did small, me was so jealous of her, you know, everything they give she. My mother and my father prefer she more than me. Everything are she. If they cook on chicken and she says she want the leg, then give it to her. You know which part they give me? The back.
Oh my.
If they cook rice and peas, they can count the peas in the rice. See her plate full of rice and peas and chicken. Me no get no juice, she get juice. Everything and she. They carry her Disneyland, me not even know her name so. Zoo, me no know her name so they no carry me go there. pantomime. Me no go there, so it's come like me and her and nothing. Me was like a stranger in the house. Everything that she, you understand me? So I build up with this grudge and jealousy and envy of her. You understand me? She born with the biggest bumper. My ass littler than fear. Right now, we grew up. We become adult. And me still have some hatred in my heart for her. Me jealous of her. Because she come up and get good man. We buy her a car and sit in big old dirty wall house. Me live in a one little piece of old board house, if you ever see it. When rain fall, water they come in for me, I floor me lie down and sleep, you know. Anytime I go over here and see she and her man, I choose she don't know all her man me feel like we take away. The girl have big old fridge and big old TV in her house and antique bed. Yo, what you don't know, man? He hot me, you know.
My sister.
I'm going Sheila.
There, man.
There.
Right?
Yeah, me I go and hold it, you know. I try to not stress myself too
Me
much.
carry some food for you.
Why? Me I go take it, you know, but me not really want nothing to eat, you know. But me go take it still and
I need
put
to
up
eat
so
something.
maybe later, can we?
Alright.
I want the pork.
Then I pop in some fish and conch and something, you know.
Alright, me I go just put it up. Why me just there go and hold it, you know? Me can't sleep. The only thing me can do
I don't want you to worry too much about the baby.
Me have to worry. Me have to
Me
worry.
know you have to worry, but don't worry too much about it because you are going to stress out for yourself.
And that again. Me just want to know if she alright.
So you're not talking about the baby?
Well,
Why police them say?
them a move too stuff for me, you know.
You know so me there for you already. Me your sister.
Me
You
know
can
that.
always depend on me. Anyway, more you eat something. Because I don't tell no lie, my sister, you look different. You look like you take
A
off
true
weight.
man.
You're stressed too much, you know.
No
You're
one
stressed too
baby,
much.
me have to stress about honey.
Me know, man. Me don't want you to stress out yourself too much, you know.
Why me have to stress, you know. No
Because you
one
know,
baby.
yo, listen to me, man. You know so me there for you already. Me your sister.
Me
You
know
can
that.
always depend on me.
Why Sheila? You know what? Should me not want the food yet? Me will just put it in the kitchen and come back here.
Alright.
So, nobody left, you know.
I
Me
mean,
know
I
you
left,
feel.
man. No, but make sure you hot it up and heat it.
Me I
Put
go
it in the
deal with
microwave
you, man.
later and make sure you eat something.
Alright, my sister, me a come.
Alright, me wait for you.
Alright.
Hurry up, because I have something to talk to you about. Yes. You know someone you do something right now for me? It's very, very important. Yes, my youth, urgent. I license plate with it on your car, my youth. The police them know about it. Someone you change it right now. Right now, then get information about the license plate. You see that number here? Don't call it back. Me no want you call it back. Me will call you, no do not call it.
I mean, the taxes.
Yeah, man, and when you take so long around this, so. What make you take so long? I tell you, say me have somewhere to go. You take too long, man.
Hush, man, you're too miserable.
You put up the food already?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you add it up in my microwave a little more. But I want to stay with a little bit in but you me have to hurry and go down so but I come back and check you.
Yeah, come back tomorrow.
And in the
I
meantime,
like your company.
yeah, man,
and
and
nobody to talk to when Robert gone on the road.
true. And in the meantime, you walk and ask if nobody see the baby.
Yeah,
and
man.
You understand me?
Yeah, man.
Alright,
That
so
good.
make sure you take care of yourself.
Yeah, man.
Here?
Alright.
Take care of yourself and tell Robert to say hi. Amal?
No, sir. Come here. Hug me again.
What you do? I smell me or about
you smell like... No.
I want you.
Oh, you smell like honey, sir. No, sir.
What do you mean? I smell like my niece? No,
You
sir.
never there from honey. No, something wrong.
No, man, nothing can wrong. Guess
No,
what?
you smell like honey.
Smell like fear, baby. You don't know say I love baby girl. If people them, you don't know if people them were beside me. Next door neighbor, the girl and my friend. I did have her baby before me come up here.
I miss that smell, you know.
And I Sabi tell me use watching me
So you
clothes
go
them,
and
so
hold
maybe...
all of people picnic.
No, man, I know really whole. You know say I love baby already and let me just get a whole of my girl.
Yeah, that's why you not get no need to know you love them too much.
That me I said to what? For yourself. Maybe one day me will have one.
Alright, if me hear anything more, me call you and make you know, you hear?
Alright.
Me go
But
eat
up here,
food
they
later.
ball every minute and they come
No,
hello
man,
and
me
call
nah.
me. Tell me.
Nah, ball again. Me
I
just...
mean, know you always tell me about you alright, I mean, know say you're not alright, you know. Anyway,
good man.
more.
Later, me hot up the food and eat it.
Make sure
when
you
Robert
eat it.
come, I hope nothing there, no can share
Only
for
for food me put in the for your name.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, may I go and look for my baby picture them, yeah?
Alright, look more.
Take care.
Don't hear me I come from, you know. Come in a call for you, me a call for you, a man, me say come out the door, said speed. You
I'm
see?
same one with me and him in eruption. He learn and he can left good, so he come back.
Yeah man, but different though. There's a thing we go down in a way. See, my daughter, smile to my daughter come home, you see? So,
Oh wait there. You know what I say? Me ask you. Me see one baby up on the news and it look just like the picture you showed me the other day. I believe you.
the baby mother left the baby out on the veranda with a stranger. Like, she try to be a good person or whatever. And left the baby, and by the time she come back out there, the baby gone. But I don't want normal stuff. To a chance there's a setup thing for me here. I'm going to figure it out. So, I know I'm going to find my youth food. So I'm not going to work myself, but I'm put out the effort to put in the work do necessary. So I pre now. That's why I'm going to link here now because she may last reason. Remember say tell me say you came up the whole place.
Yes man.
So I know say in the street one car move the baby from down my yard.
Are you sure say in a time range when me have a camera up this happen?
No man, I just yesterday man, I don't know for now.
Oh,
yesterday, so I know say you have the camera up. So when I want them I run from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. You understand? So it's good I could get from one thumb drive. You know what I mean?
Alright, no problem.
Yeah, so right now, because I want to go link the detective and give it because we don't have no time to waste, man.
One thumb drive, you want it?
One thumb drive, you can put it on the computer and thing.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Right. Come on, enough respect, man. So maybe I can know what I'm going.
Yeah, man.
Later.
Alright.
Yo, Mr. Charles. Yeah, man, you know, say, I get some footage from one of my sisters. Yeah, man. Because she has some camera up a fair yard. So, the next year, take out the part, them part. The car would have left them off me yard in them time. You know, because she covered the whole lane.
Robert! Robert! Robert!
Call up Robert fast. What you want? Where you come here so far?
In there, no.
Eh?
I
When you
didn't know
come
me
here
I
so
come
far,
begging.
after you give me pitney, you really there come call Robert?
Why, you know, say me, one night,
talk to me good.
sorry, you know, then was I kidnap your baby, you know. I mean, one, you can't
Don't even want to deal with you.
put yourself in my shoes.
Me no want in your shoes.
Listen
What
up,
do you mean figure help woman with me baby, eh?
me think I dare care about put him, call the big old slabber boy like that.
You know give me baby already. And you have the heart. Come here so they call Robert. I'm mad, you mad man. You saw you lean up? Hey, just wait.
I want a rum and a rum.
But you want. Come here, okay. Take that boy. Come out of me yard. And don't come back here, so.
I don't want a rum, me want.
Come take the rum. You're not in the spring, please. Go on out of me yard. Come out.
Oi. Hello, you not have no yard.
You know, say you and your mommy, if you tap that, everywhere me
You
go.
know how long mommy there with my way upon you?
If I wait for me pay, but no worry, it done. We drink it out.
Hello, little girl, you know him?
Yes, I'm my father. Where they are tormenting people them for?
Take him out of me yard.
You see the stress of me I try to explain to you.
You're
From
God.
I know my stress.
From me go to hospital and see this little girl, me not top drink because guess what? Me and her mommy brown. And
So
trust
she
me,
look so.
a blacks next door me. Daughter, me swear.
So how you know that? Which proof you have of that?
The color.
That no make no come go. Come on, come. Sorry, here. Jesus, come go home.
No phone not there home?
Come go your yard.
Take the bottle from him, little girl. Take the bottle from him.
If it take
Drink too much.
If it take you from me, damn me, I mess up all later. Let it go.
Take it from him. Now make him drink now.
Tell Robert saying this me. We have food, Mr. Papa.
Then you know see if it happy drinking though.
You just get too big now. Look how me maga. Stress a kill me. Stress. Mr. One sickle cell.
Come on.
Let go.
Babes, you come back.
Yeah, man, look, when up and down on the road down at the station, I tell you about.
What am I deal with them?
No, man, them enhance us by, you know, say 9 morning, them go deal with it. You know, understand? Them, so them go, them have them network where they can find them, locate them thing there.
Don't go up there, not take long, you know.
But still, we not wait for them directly, you know, we have some people more really run up on them. Come on, try this one investigation myself, so it's really see. So.
You don't know who can check me.
Who can check you?
Sheila. But she did look kind of suspicious. I'll smell honey on her. Me know say people on a whole.
You see them at time, yeah, we make you paranoid and think about stuff when I did it. But because don't say, you know, as normal, nothing say sister would do that to you.
Why? She said she loved me now, I may believe. But just something I tell me say she knows something.
Oh, no,
me smell honey.
No worry yourself.
Me
man.
know me baby smell.
No worry yourself.
She thought but she did do
Say you do. No for that man, you see as she said, she just be not sleep and you know, you cannot see things and not hear things, you know. You cannot smell things, you know.
Robert, really?
Let it
Me can't do nothing. Robert, you know, me need to say something to you. You have one little junkie friend there. I don't know his name, you know. Me can't remember his name. But you need to tell him to stop come here. Because he come here today, I call you, make one bag of excitement saying you want rum. After he take with baby, help woman with baby put in a vehicle, he come for rum. Me can't bother with him. Me dash water upon him, you know.
You know, say Mikey was a cool youth. I just the woman when take up, I see when he put in the band, he just start drink rum. But before that, he was a cool youth. But you can't blame him for only missing. You have to blame yourself, you know.
But me need to think about say she would have take with the baby.
But if you say you was a girl from country, you know, your grandmother must tell you say simple trash behind your eye.
Robert, you have to talk to me like that.
No, I not talk to you no waste my time. I just want to understand.
Why you think me not eat or sleep?
No, I know to blame myself, but I say it's good to blame myself a little bit. But don't worry yourself about it.
You know, I said the little giant girl would have take up my baby and run away with her.
But don't worry yourself though. We go find. We know, myself deep down, so we go find honey. You understand? And with honey there, there's a feeling so she alright. You know what I mean?
You have a feeling.
We have a feeling so she alright and she's alive and kicking. You know what I mean? She a part of the fire and the fire never stop blazing. You understand?
Welcome to Jamwood News. I am Kelisha Williams. Coming up on tonight's headlines, food prices are going up according to Julian Brown. The COVID-19 vaccine has arrived a few days now. Our main topic today is the missing baby. We'll be right back with more details.
Baby, alright.
Baby, good man, why pray?
You know, say money delay.
Delay not my problem. Me need to go, you know, long me there, so 1, 2, 3 days passing, and this should have done in 1 day.
The money delay, my girl. The woman tell me say me did fi go at the bank XYZ time, and when me go, the money not there. When me call her, she says something happened why she not saying.
That's for you and the woman problem. Me have my.
No, but you have to understand. Me I go give you the money.
You see, if tomorrow pass, me even tell you what I go do.
Listen to me now. Me and her make a plan for tomorrow. So tomorrow, me I go try and make sure say she send the money come. And delay. That's why you don't get the money yet. You understand me? So you say tomorrow you stay for 1 more day?
Me see how you can go.
How much fire you come from? Me search the whole I run bar them that ear for you.
So me one bar now.
Me ask you where they come from. Answer me.
Me find the baby when me give away.
It's who lie.
Me no.
So when I get a Robert?
I don't let me a go.
Alright, come on then, no, come on.
No, you go on home.
Where you send me home for? So me want to help you.
You love watch man too much. You want to go watch black.
No. Look here. Take time. Just the way I do and hurry up and come on. Me I wait for you.
Now wait, go on.
Why if you not fine, honey?
Don't say that, man. We'll find her, man. We get at gym last night, you know.
What you dream, son?
So we find her. And my gym them has come true, you know.
Right now, Jada know my belly feel. I'm hungry, but I can't bother. I wonder if she alright. If them a feed her. If she have good clothes to wear and something.
Normally when we see baby, when they take baby, you know, them feed them, you know. But anyway, I go back on the road night and still no car. I can't sleep and I can't stay so I have to try to do something. Only thing I'm thugs them, man. And I don't go up on the road.
Yeah, because I just go say open on you alone, you know. Because I don't want nothing happen to you because at that time I was mad. For the 2 hours just gone, so.
She not gone, man. She there. I feel her present, you know, so I'm not worried about that. Who does I call?
Oh, to that man. Robert!
I follow them, General.
Well, I'm supposed to afraid of me now when I have to dash water upon him.
I'm good, man.
Run him out and yeah.
Just watching stress.
Just take care upon the road here.
Yeah, man. You know, no, go on, man. Can't wait to find the baby, you know.
Yeah, go find her, man. Yeah, go find her. I'll go and bill your son.
I mean, you know, the cost me say me a junk card, you know.
You know, junk card. And Romano, what is up?
I don't rub me come from, me come with good news.
What kind of good news?
What the hell, why throw water for me? I'm not like that, you know. But me not come on that right now. Try to go to good news. We see the baby.
Where baby there?
Same place where we work up at the hotel. One bag of them up there. Me no rub down tell me lie.
Where is it? You tell me again, because you're not joke me, you.
Listen to me, man. Listen to me. You know what I when me jump? Me never run joke. Me come back and tell me could I never come back and tell us me give a baby, you know.
Alright, don't say a word. Listen now. Yeah, Mr. Charles. Yeah, man. Robert, you know. Yeah, man. The same you to interrogate, tell me saying fine, honey, you know. You know, only that party and workplace, only there. So right now, yeah, I don't know if I really must say what, but anything, if I lie, I tell you, kill him live tonight. But different from that, I'm ready to move right now because I don't want to miss no chance. So if you go so, we don't want to ramp with it. So right now, we're there. Yeah, man, we try, if you're not on drive, we'll try to get someone pick you up and go there right now because we can't make the time miss. So if you be there for real, we'll go there right now. We now have 1 more minute. Where say I joke here now you don't want to me now? Police me a call now.
Anything.
Alright, so we are come right, we are push towards you right now. We know yeah, we know about here, man. Come on, come show me about here.
Yeah, me have to go and go get my red kerchief, you know, come on, tie up my head, you know.
Whatever, come on, come move here, move. Yeah, man, reach out there.
Yo, Sheila, I take too long for the money. Sheila, I draw this thing out too long. You see me? Right now, I have a new buyer. I want to be a bigger money than Sheila. This is a bigger buyer. I don't know style thing, I style Sheila now. but we have to do the right thing.
Money come first in a virgin.
Look on the baby man, enough money, baby man. You know?
Yeah, it's ain't pretty.
You don't want to talk to you. We have to celebrate tomorrow because money come. The money come. We need to talk to you, man.
Money for what?
Yeah, man. I have to get your money tomorrow. Hold on. Don't worry yourself.
Alright,
Soon talk to you.
Soon
talk to you, man. For your money today, now. Yeah, you have to celebrate differently.
I'm not joking, you know, Dan.
No joke.
You have time for waste, you know.
We're probably right, just soon come.
It take too long now, because how you know, you? Yo, Mikey! Man, it take so long, man.
You know, see me beat me bad boy before me come on the road.
No, you, I will go up on a mission, yo.
Brother, just humble, man. Me see you rum.
I'm a youth, you know. I'm joking, you know, youth.
Brother, you know me not run them things. Me here come down different, man. But when me see this, me can't left you, man.
So you have wanted that on Sheila?
You know, we come to celebrate my youth, like money job. I forget to you tomorrow. Yeah, man. So we are going to have a drink. So cheers now, you are run with you anymore, so. Yeah, man. Where yourself?
So you're not drink for you?
Oh man, me drink two already before me come in here, so you know, me not feel so good to drink this right now, man.
So, how am I gonna feel so?
That's one right, man. Just easy yourself, man. Everything good, man. You have to get your money tomorrow. Have to get your money tomorrow.
Sheila, me not bother want no money. Me just
Hold on. You need to talk. You need to talk to him. What you say? What you say I'm now?
I'll just leave.
So you give you work for the one day and tell me say no matter what.
Everything good, man. Me just take it baby. Me and business figure leave.
Get your head out there. Put your hand behind you. Lean excited.
All the time, Sheila. I really you. You want to just wicked woman. Oh, that is Mr. Baby.
Officer, me not involved. I force she forced me to do it and she had threatened me to kill me.
You still have a charge, you know.
Good evening, welcome to our nightly news at 7 o'clock at Jamaican Studio. I am Kelisha Williams with our news tonight. The attempted murder of Keith Jackson aka Tallman, the attempted murderers were charged. Following up on tonight's news, missing baby honey has been found. We'll be hearing from the detective who solves the missing baby case tonight.
Good night. I am Corporal Sergeant Detective Charles. Upon investigation of little honey, I was so successful at recovering little honey due to the lead that I followed up. During the process of recovering little honey, my fellow co-worker was deceased during the process, was a corrupt cop. But however, it is so grateful to the public and the information that I've given.
So thanks to all the prayer them, because all the prayer them answer, because we've been praying and you've been praying. So Honey is finally home, and you know, she kind of look a bit miserable now because she want to go sleep and something, but we're just glad to see her, so we not want to go sleep. Walk on, baby. Hello, what's your girl?
Say hi to
What's
the
your
people.
girl?
Hi.
What's your girl?
I'm back.
Say hi to the people them who they pray for you. Look in the camera, see that over there? Look in the camera and say hi to the people them that been looking. Look over there, so.
Say I'm home.
Yeah, man, she there home back here now, so. Hope say this not to nobody again in a yard. Yeah, may I tell you, it wasn't a good feeling. I no sleep from that time till this time. I no touch nothing from that time till this time. You know what I mean? So, big up on yourself out there, and let's us try to watch the people them who laugh, eat and drink with you. You know what I mean? Or make wife say something to you. You know what I mean? You can't talk because you know so you like if the camera so much. Me be able to see her for a minute there.
Yeah, man, I just want to say thank you a million to everyone who was searching for our baby. But me can't believe, say, my blood sister, Sheila, me can't believe, say, Sheila take with my baby. Make plan fi take with my baby through she grudge me for the life what me I live. Happy family. She jealous.
Yes, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, you know. I know everybody been wondering and everybody been asking, when are we gonna release Friend in Need Part 3? Yes, the question is simple. The answer is simple then. We are trying to put together the money to do Part 3. Part 3 is, we have to go higher than Part 1 and 2. Because the movie is growing, so as the movie growing, the budget get bigger for it. You know what I mean? So in the meantime, we try to do some other things that are not, the budget is not so high, like the Part 3 for Friend in Need. We start shooting Friend in Need now, but it's taking more than what we have to finish it. You know what I mean? So in due time, you know what I mean? So that's just one other story there. And the fight is on still because we're getting a lot of fight, you know what I mean? So we have the music video at the end, so please do watch and leave your comments, you know what I mean? And even the haters them who've been fighting the movements don't want to go forward, you can listen it too because that one mission, you know, it's all about love and forwardness, and nothing like to see that, nothing like to see success. When everybody want to achieve, you know, when everybody want happiness, everybody want love, everybody want what they want, and everybody can get it. But when them clean them mind and them heart, you know what I mean? When it's your time, it's your time. It can't be your time before your time. And make that sink in. Just like our Prime Minister and the Health Minister said, make it sink in. I don't know what they mean by that still, but make it go on. That's for another day. So, new movie. We hope so to watch it. Leave in the comments. Send it to a friend them. Let them subscribe to. Thanks for subscribing. We're at 40,000 and plus. We're looking for 1 million. So it's a far journey. But everybody who subscribe is part of the family. So you subscribe, you're part of that movement. Moving forward. You know what I mean? Too much talk I've done already. So we are the people that doing action. Plenty calls to talk sometime and we say we're busy because we're into action. So big up the people them who do the action. Like people them who donate. You know what I mean? Who click the notification button. Who subscribe. Who like. Who share it. That means say you do verb. You action. You do something. You know, and the stock. You know, you make the movements go forward. Thanks to your support 100 million times. Even the people them who feel like we left them out. Nobody not get left out. It's one mission. You know what I mean? So don't feel no time left out. You're in it. You know what I mean? And once you are in it, we are in it to win it. You know what I mean? It's just a part of the thing, man. So watch and continue subscribe and look forward for Friend in Need Part 3. You know, can go epic. We start shooting a race and we see party go, but we just don't have the full finance to do the full one yet. So that's the big deal about it. So no feel say at no given point in time we don't want to do it. We just don't have the money to do it. My vision when I have it is big. So maybe that's the thing where you don't, most people don't understand. So as big up Damien, because him understand the thing and plenty more understand. Big up the whole of Cayman, big up the whole of Jamaica, big up everywhere in the world, big up UK, big up Grenada, big up everywhere if you get big up. USA, Jamaica again, Africa, the whole place because of one big family. All of Switzerland, anywhere you're there in the world, big up yourself and you watch this, you know. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. I don't want to talk too much. Big up Miss Chin. So Miss Chin now is one of our supporter and look out for her. She have a airline, Miss Chin Unique and all sorts of different things. Hot people, you know, people hot like a fire. Yeah. Check out our website and check out her, follow her up on Instagram.
Our link in the description.
Our link is gonna be in the description. You know what I mean? Support her. She's a Jamaican and move forward. You know what I mean? I love to see people doing them things and a positive mission. And she a part of the support, a part of the movements. So big up Tass and Frankai and the whole of the family. You know what I mean? You have some young one that come up to say speech, so them are the future. You know what I mean? Big up yourself. Big up everybody still. The movie name, Where is Honey? I hope you like it. Leave in the comments. Burn it up. I don't talk too much, you know for me thing. Some people love when I talk still. So if you don't like when I talk, some people want to hear me talk. So maybe I just part of the thing that. Burn it up. Talk can't too much.
Alright, so as always, thank you guys for watching. It's always a pleasure to create these movies for you. And as Curious say, there's a little bit of challenge as it pertains to getting certain specific movie done. So we just do what we can do in our realm as it pertains to budget. You don't know, we not stop create because it's a movement and it's a forward movement. Alright, so let me just quickly big up some people before we go further. Alright, big up Hakeem Lawrence. You don't know, he is one of the persons who amongst the movement from day one. Yeah man, big up Prolong HD, also a fellow filmmaker who do similar work. Alright, so I want to big up a few people who are already make contribution as it pertains to purchasing a camera via PayPal. Alright, so big up Tassa and big up also Marcia, and this one says ACE, probably it's a company or a person. Big up yourself and thank you for your donation. Alright, Barrington, big up yourself, thank you for your donation. And this one says Novlet, want to thank all those persons who has made contribution to the upward part of the movement. And for those names that I don't mention, please DM me on Instagram, Richard Brown Films, and let me know that you did make a donation so I can at least show my appreciation by calling your name. There is so much that should be said that maybe we can't say it right now, but you don't know it's an upward movement. We have 40,000K and we are growing. We are adding new people as we go along. We would want to use a lot more people because a lot of people has reached out to us, but at the end of the day, we have to just go and balance the thing and make it work, because a lot of people might feel like, oh, because of YouTube, there's a whole lot of money involved. So therefore, oh, let me contact Richard Brown because I might make some money. The movement is growing and we need money for it to get bigger. So right now we're still in the growth process. So it's not like we can pay out a whole heap of money to people. So if you come along and you're involved in one of our film, we might can cover certain little aspects of your financial, like your transportation, maybe food, and we might can put a little thing in your pocket, but we can't make no big payout yet like we're a big movie company. We're still in the growing process, we're still in the learning process, we're still making additions as it pertains to getting the business on a professional level. So give thanks, man, and as long as you want to see Jamaica grow and you want to see young people like yourself get better and grow and do something more productive, please feel free to help, man. And would I love at least if somebody from corporate Jamaica, if you see we channel and you like what we are doing and you want to see the thing grow, because that's the thing, you know, what Jamaica is lacking. It's lacking growth, and growth in the right places, like in the small grassroots communities. So we want people to just jump on board, man, and support the thing. And as I say, corporate Jamaica, people in the diaspora, please support the movement, man. We really appreciate it. And as I say, if you have subscribed yet, please do so. hit that notification bell, share the video them with your friend. And before me go, final word, I want to say thanks to one specific person, Matthias Brown. He is one of the persons who he's instrumental in my development and where I am as a filmmaker. So big up yourself, Mr. Brown. You are a father to those who don't have a father. So big up yourself, and as always, continue guys to support the movement. We are growing and we love where it's heading. So big up.
Yeah, man. So we have a version from K-Man, Sammy. I him build the rhythm for the music video. You go see where I come up next. So stay tuned, and you hear the instrumental I play throughout the movie, so you can tell what you think about the rhythm. Because everybody's not doing things. You see it? Burn it down to the ground. You know, so I pass through. Go back again. Burn it down.
What's life without fight? What's life without fight? Not the day, Baba. Keep myself out of trouble. You can fight me now. You love me later. Try to steal my crown. Jam make me greater. My message for now. Bad mind, see you later. Hypocrite, see you later. See you later. I'm the simple trash that blind eye. Search and my search and can't find eye. It should not be like this, so sister blind eye. When jobless every man be shine eye. Bunny down to the gong man and no petty soldier. Life is a movie, watch a episode, yeah. Tell the Roxanne and Janelle fi hurry over. Full up the private jet, we're going to Minnesota. You can fight me now. You love me later. Try to steal my crown. Judge make me greater. My message for now. Bad mind, see you later. Hypocrite, see you later. See you later. Why don't make me stronger? It's the fight that make me stronger. Watch you, them a dance. Watch ya, see now me catch them off guard. Fight them a fight, them no see the bad dog. You can fight me now. You love me later. Try to steal my crown. Jam make me greater. My message for now. Bad mind, see you later. Hypocrite, see you later. See you later. Later. Whoa, whoa. Alright. Oh, the country I run. That's why life so hard. Me I tell you, say I one world, I one yard. Oh my Lord, you can fight me now. You love me later. Try to steal my crown. Jam make me greater. My message for now. Bad mind, see you later. Hypocrite, see you later. See you later.